Sunday Funday, where we review our M1 Finance Growth Portfolio spreadsheet. In today's video, we're going to review our deposits and our purchases. So for the month of March, we were able to add $100 to our account, and then we purchased a little bit of Facebook, a little bit of Amazon, a little bit of Netflix, a little bit of Google, and a little bit of Berkshire Hathaway. Even though we've only deposited $100 this month, it is neat to see that as you deposit a little amount of money into this, into these 5 big companies, that you can still get pretty good gains out of it. We're currently up $284.33, and our total return is 25%. The goal with this account is to take the wellness credit our company gives us and to invest into growth stocks, and to see how that goes. So this year, we started out with just doing the $25 credit last year, and this year we're doubling. So we're doing the wellness credit plus $25 that we're putting in. Even though each one of these stocks are very expensive, you can buy fractional shares within M1 Finance. It is neat to see this little account grow. So hopefully over time it'll get to be a significant amount, but even with only putting a little bit away every paycheck, we have been able to deposit $1,100. Remember, this is Sunday Funday, where we review our Webull dividend portfolio, our Roth IRA, our Fidelity Health Savings account, and this growth portfolio. As of right now, the total amount that we have invested is worth about $32,000. We have received about $706. But it is really neat to see that even though we're only depositing little amounts of money, that each investment is starting to grow. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see more investing videos, click the links on the screen or check out the sidebar. Thanks for watching.